Hello, what's going on everyone? In this video I'll show you how to enable the dark mode feature on Instagram, and I'll show you two different methods you can use in enabling the dark mode feature on Instagram. So the first one to do is head over to the Instagram application right here. Then you click on your profile. So your profile is your image at the bottom right at the right corner here. So you click on the profile, then you head over to menu, then click on settings. So you see down here where it says theme, so you click on theme, and if you want dark mode feature for your Instagram account, so you click on dark mode. So that enables dark mode for you. So this is just one method of enabling the dark mode feature on your Instagram account. You can see right now I'm on dark mode. So if the second method is to use your system default. So when I click on system default, this enable, because my phone right now is on the light mode. That's why you can see that your Instagram account is on light mode, and if your phone is on dark mode, it will make your Instagram account have the dark mode feature. So right now, if you want to enable dark mode for your Android phone, if you don't like the light mode, head over to your phone settings, then you go to display, you head over to display, so you click on display and you click on dark mode. That enables dark mode on your phone, and that automatically enables the dark mode feature on Instagram. So when I go back to the Instagram application, you can see right now it's on dark mode. So those are the two different methods you can enable dark mode on your Instagram account. So because it's on system default, and right now my Android phone is on dark mode, that's why you can see dark mode feature on your Instagram account. So those are the two different methods of enabling dark mode for your Instagram account. I hope you find this video helpful. My name is Victor Smith, and I'll see you in the next one.